What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a sketch illustration of bighorn sheep. Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll need a sketch pad and a pencil. I'm going to start today's sketch off with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick, but you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. Now I want to begin by adding some guidelines to help with the balance and symmetry of our drawing. So let's start by sketching a line coming down the center, starting from the very top. Just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom using these short lines. Let's go back to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now I want to define the width of the head. So from that center point, let's move over towards the left. Right about here, draw a straight line going up and then down. Now I want to take this distance from the center over towards the right and do the same thing, going up and then down. And then right where these two lines cross, we're going to add a circle to define the eyes. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the top of the eyes, we're going to step up, angle the head, going up and in towards the middle. Let's add in the ears. From here, bend this up and then out. Now we're going to come down and then in towards the eyes. Let's go to the inside of the eyes. We're going to add a curve going across the face. Let's step down. We're going to sketch out an oval just to define the size of the muzzle. We can come back and just modify the size later. Let's go back to the bottom of the eyes, curve the head, coming down and then in towards the bottom of the muzzle. Now we're going to roughly add some shape to the neck and body. So let's start on the left side, bend this out and then down. Go underneath the right eye, bend the back, coming down and then out. Let's go back and add some details inside the muzzle. So we start from the bottom of our oval, add a curve for the mouth. Let's go up towards the top, draw a straight line going across the nose, angle this back down and then in to create an upside down triangle. Now let's go back up to the top and add some shape to the horns. We're going to start by flattening off the center of the head. Now from the left side, add a seam coming down and across towards the ear on the left and right side. Let's go to the top left. We're going to add a shape going up toward the top of the horn, come around the side towards that center line. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height, come around and then down. Now this horn is going to twist along the bottom, come down and in. Just going to round this out, go up and then out. Now we want to draw the inside edge. We're going to round out the tip of the horn, come down and then out. Now from the inside of this point, we're going to curve the back side, going up and then in behind the ear. Now going back down to this point, we're going to draw that ridge that goes across the horn. We're going to go up, come around, and just blend that out towards the side of the horn. And now that we have a rough sketch in place, we're going to go back and clean this up by erasing some of these guidelines. Now once we're happy with the balance and composition of our drawing, we're going to go in and start adding some more details. Let's start with the eyes. We're going to start by bringing the eyelid down and pull that in towards a point. I'm just going to round out the outside of the eye. We're going to go out and then bend that in towards the base of the horn. Let's tuck the eye in underneath that fold, drawing the lower eyelid. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to cross the eyelid. We're just going to bulge this out. And draw on the bottom of the eye. I'm just going to add a little bit of a highlight rectangle across the top of the eyes. Lightly shade in the top and then fade that down. Now I'm just going to add some shape to the side of the head, just coming in towards the muzzle. Now let's add some shape to the nose. Start in the center, going up towards the nostrils, then out. Tuck the side in underneath. And I'm just going to darken up the bottom and then fade that up. And move back up and add some shape to the ears. Just taking out that sharp point on the end. Just working our way across the bottom. I'm just going to roughly add some folds inside the ear. A little bit of shading. I'm just going to bump out the top of the head, going around the base of the horn towards the eye, and around the top of the eye. Let's do one final cleanup before we get into some more detail and shading. Now I'm going to switch my pencil to a 0.9mm to add some contrast. So I'm going to start back at the eyes. Just going to darken up the edges and add some shading and detail to the inside. And from the eye, we're just going to work our way around. I'm going to add a soft fur texture going around the top of the eyelid. Just going to brush that fur going out along the top, also along the bottom. Just going to darken up that shadow area. On the outside, we're just going to pull that fur coming in, going around the side of the muzzle. Now let's go back and add some darkness to the inside of the eye, going up towards that highlight. And with the eye on the right, we're going to add a little bit of glare across the bottom, just so the light can pass through. Add some fur across the base of the horns. Just brushing this up and out. Let's trace the contours of the horns. Starting across the bottom. And we can also rough up the edges a little bit. Just give me a slight bend and some texture. I'm just going to go in and add these little curves inside the horn. Starting from the tip, I'm just going to bend these lines going across towards the bottom. And then we're going to move up and curve across and up on the inside, all the way across. Now this is just the base texture of the horns. Now as we get towards the ears, we're going to bend this out and then up. Going up towards this seam and then in. Now we're coming up towards the ear, straighten that out, and then bend that up. And we're going to wrap this around towards the seam and then in. Now along the top, I'm going to curve this across and up towards the middle. And as we get up to the top, we're just going to straighten this out. Now I'm going to switch to my 2mm pencil and add some shading. So along this edge, we're going to step in and darken that up. Create a little bit of a highlight edge along the inside and work our way out. I'm just going to fade that out toward the left. Now let's go to the inside edge along the inside. Darken that up and then fade that out. So we're just enhancing the texture. Let's go around the ears. Adding a little bit of shadow along the bottom. And then fade that out. Now we want to darken up this edge. Starting from the outside, I'm just going to soften that up. And then fade that across. And I want to do the same thing on the right. And go in and start darkening out some of those lines. So you can vary some of that texture going across the top. Also from the inside. Now we're just going to work that detail and shading across the head. And we want to be a little bit subtle with this. So just going around the darkest areas of the head. go ahead and start layering on those fine details on top of our shading. So starting back at the horns. And we'll just enhance that fur across the head. Now, as we get closer to the end, I'm just going to tighten up my shadows in detail, and always be sure to sign my artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a bighorn sheep. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different animals just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.